Greetings, friends. I thought I'd bring something really important to your attention today. It's the fact that you've only been utilizing 3 out of the 5 energy sources that your body and mind operate on. So make sure you stay tuned, listen, turn up the sound so that you can hear what I'm about to say, because it directly relates to your capacity to deal with your life every day and how well you manage or cope with that. Now, first up, we're all inhabitants of the earth, and the way in which we take our energy in is from our environment. And so if you look at the earth, what you'll see is that it is comprised of landmass, or a solid. There are oceans resting on top of the landmass, or a liquid form. And then on top of the oceans, what you'll see is that there is a gas. So we have solids, liquids, and gas that we're all familiar with. Of course, food, drink, and breathing are the relatable ways in which we can take in energy. What most people don't realize is that there are actually 5 energy sources that the body and mind operate on. There's 2 last, which I'm about to give a bit of information about, are intangible because most people don't even realize or haven't developed the ability to take these sources of energy in. So the 4th source of energy is actually light. We can learn how to ingest light directly into our body, absorb it like a sponge, and utilize it for practical daily tasks. And I'm not talking about some new agey imaginings, floating away imagining that we are taking in light. I'm talking about a practical application of drawing upon an internal stream, a river of light that you can drink upon, just as you would drink a glass of water, but it flows inside of you. When you can practically and tangibly do this, then you will find that your life is extremely different to what it was when you were just on material energy sources, because the non-physical or the non-material energy sources are far more powerful than the material energy sources. So the 5th source of energy, of course, is actually direct vibrational resonance, and you will need to have practiced the light accretion and developed your system to an extent before you will be able to come in contact with this yet higher again power that you can directly draw from the earth and solar system. So as we become more attuned with this, what you'll find is that you're not just drawing energy sources from the earth, the material sources, but you can actually draw energy directly from the sun and from the stars day and night wherever you are, and it's free. So if you would like to learn more about how you can develop this capacity for yourself so that you can bring yourself into a much higher performing state, stay tuned, like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channels, and I'll be sharing a lot more information about this shortly.